ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਜੀਐਸ ਅਪਡੇਟਸ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਨਵੀਂ ਸੋ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਜਮਾਤ 12ਵੀਂ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਜਨਰਲ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦਾ ਟਰਮ 2 ਪ੍ਰੀਖਿਆਵਾਂ ਲਈ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ ਗੈਸ ਪੇਪਰ। ਸੋ ਸਾਰੇ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਅੱਜ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਵਰ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ। ਸੋ ਪੂਰੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਅੰਤ ਤੱਕ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੇਖਣਾ, ਪੂਰੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਵਿਦ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਵੇਗੀ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਟਨ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦਬਾ ਲਵੋ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਦੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ। ਸੋ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਵੇਸਟ ਨਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਚਲੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਜਮਾਤ 12ਵੀਂ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਟਰਮ 2 ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ ਗੈਸ ਪੇਪਰ। ਸੋ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੇਪਰ ਦਾ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਪੂਰਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੇਪਰ ਦਾ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਵੱਲ ਵਧਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਸ਼ੋਰਟ ਆਨਸਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਤੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸ਼ੋਰਟ ਆਨਸਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਇੰਟੈਂਸਿਵ ਸਟੱਡੀ। ਆਨਸਰ ਦੀ ਫੋਲੋਇੰਗ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਨ 30 to 35 words any two। ਸੋ ਫਸਟ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਹੈ ਦੀ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਆਫ ਮਾਈ ਲਾਈਫ ਹੈਲਨ ਕੈਲਰ। ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ, who was Annie Manfield Sullivan? Answer, Annie Manfield Sullivan was the teacher of Helen Keller. She had a great influence on her life. Second question, what was something unusual happening at the narrator's home? Answer, the narrator's mother was hurrying to and fro in the house. She guessed from her mother's activities that something unusual was about to happen in the house. Question third, what was the narrator doing while sitting on the steps? Answer, the narrator was waiting while sitting on the steps. Her fingers gently passed on the familiar leaves and flowers of honeysuckle plant. Question fourth, what was the wordless cry of narrator's soul? ਸੋ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਬੇहद ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ, ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨਾਂ ਮਗਰ ਸ਼ੋਰ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜਾਣਾ। ਆਨਸਰ, ਲਾਈਟ ਗਿਵ ਮੀ ਲਾਈਟ ਵਾਜ਼ ਦੀ ਵਰਡਲੈਸ ਕਰਾਈ ਆਫ ਦੀ ਨਰੇਟਰਸ ਸੋਲ। ਸੋ ਬੇहद ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ। ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਫਿਫਥ, who had sent to the doll for the narrator? Answer, the little blind children at the Perkins Institution had sent it for the narrator. Question sixth, how did the narrator learn to spell the words? Answer, for the first time Miss Sullivan spelled into the narrator's hand the word doll and the narrator felt interest in this finger play and tried to imitate it. After that the narrator learned so many words with this way. Question 7th, why did the narrator dash the doll upon the floor? So ਇਹ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਬੇहद ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ, ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਆਨਸਰ, the teacher tried to make the narrator understand that the word doll applied to both her dolls. The narrator was confused. She became impatient and dashed the new doll upon the floor. So ਬੇहद ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ, ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। 8th, list the few words that the narrator's teacher made her learn. So ਇਹ ਵੀ ਬੇहद ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ। Answer, the narrator learned a great many words. Among them were pin, hat, cup and a few verbs like sit, stand and walk. ਬੇहद ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ। Question 9th, what did the narrator learn at the well house? Answer, at the well house the mystery of language was revealed to her. She knew that water meant the wonderful cool something that was flowing over the hand. That living world awakened her soul, gave it light, hope, joy, set it free. Question 10th, what made the narrator repentant and sorrowful? So ये प्रश्न बेहद ज़रूरी है। Answer, when the narrator came to know that everything had a name and each name gave birth to a new thought, but she had broken her doll. She picked up the pieces of the broken doll and tried to put them together, but in vain. So she felt repentance and sorrowful. इंटेंसिव स्टडी के कोई दो प्रश्नों का उत्तर 30 से 35 शब्दों में देना होगा। 4 में से कोई 2 प्रश्न करने होंगे। नेक्स्ट चैप्टर अपने को चैप्टर दूसरा, 2 जेंटलमैन ऑफ वरोना। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, what were the jobs that the boys undertook? Answer, they were brothers. The boys did their independent jobs. They shined shoes in the scorching heat. They sold strawberries and conducted the tourism round the town. They sold newspapers in the stormy night. They changed their work at will. They can be called willing workers. Question second, describe the physical appearance of both the boys. Answer, the elder brother Nicola was 13-year-old and the younger Jacopo was 12-year-old. They wore shabby clothes which showed their poverty. They had little figures, brown skin, tangled hair and dark earnest eyes. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਬੇहद ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜਾਣਾ। ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਥਰਡ, ਹਾਊ were the two boys useful for the narrator in many ways? Answer, if the narrator wanted a pack of American chocolates or seats for the opera or the name of good restaurant, the two boys satisfied the needs. Question fourth, why did the two boys work endlessly? ਸੋ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਬੇहद ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ, ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਆਨਸਰ, they worked endlessly to earn money for the treatment of their elder sister Lucia. The main mission of the boys' life centered on the welfare of their sister Lucia. Day and night they worked and starved only to provide for medical expenses for their sister. They were deeply devoted to save their sister, so they had to work endlessly. Next, question 5th. Where did the narrator drive the two boys? So ये प्रश्न भी बेहद ज़रूरी है। Answer, the narrator drove the two boys to their village Poleta, which was 30 kilometers away. The tiny village set high upon the hillside. They drew up at the red roofed villa surrounded by a high stone wall. Question 6th. Who was the woman at the village? Answer, she was a nurse of the village hospital. The woman was the trained in the hospital where Lucia was under treatment. Question 7th. What made the narrator follow the boys? Answer, the narrator wanted to know why the boys had come to that villa. Question 8th. What did Lucia aspire to be? So ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਬੇहद ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ, ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। Lucia was a young girl of 20. Lucia aspired to be a singer. She was sister of two boys, Nicola and Jacopo. She was affected by tuberculosis. She was undergoing treatment in a hospital. Question 9th. Why was the narrator deeply moved? So ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। Answer, the nurse led the narrator to the door of a little cubicle. She bade him look through the glass partition. He saw the two boys seated at the bedside of a girl of about 20. She was propped on pillow. The girl was the two boys' sister. It was happy family party. The narrator was deeply moved to see the sight. Question 10th. What made the two brothers and their sister orphans? ਇਹ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਬੇहद ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। The two boys and their sisters were alone in the world. Their mother was already dead. Their father was well-known singer, was killed in early part of the war. Shortly afterward, a bomb destroyed their home and thrown 3 children in the streets. Question 11th. What is the message conveyed by the two boys in the story? Say in your own words. Answer, this story tells us the value of hard work. Nicola and Jacopo was the only 13 and 12 relatively, worked very hard to earn money for the treatment of their sister. They did not ask for anybody's help or favor. Next ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ chapter 3rd in celebration of being alive by Dr. Christian Barnard. Question first, according to Dr. Barnard, which is the business of living? Answer, according to Dr. Barnard, the business of living is the celebration of being alive. He wants to convey a great message about business of living. He says that some people have brave and positive towards life. If they are suffering from physically, they ignore their agony and fear but live daring life. They set examples for other people. They teach us the art of living the way life should be lived. Question second, what do people with brave and positive attitude teach us? ਸੋ ਇਹ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਬੇहद ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ। ਆਨਸਰ, ਪੀਪਲ ਵਿਦ ਬਰੇਵ ਐਂਡ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਐਟੀਟਿਊਡ ਟੀਚ ਅਸ ਟੂ ਮੂਵ forward in life, defying physical sufferings. These people teach that the business of living is joy in the real sense of the word, not just something for pleasure, amusement and recreation. Question third, in which incident were Dr. Barnard's gloomy thoughts rooted? ਸੋ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਬੇहद ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ। ਆਨਸਰ, Dr. Barnard and his wife were crossing the street. A car hit him and knocked him into his wife. His wife was thrown on the other lane. and struck by a car coming from the opposite direction. Dr. Bernard's 11 ribs were broken and a perforated lung. His wife had a badly fractured shoulder. He wondered why should that happen to them. Question fourth, what was डॉक्टर बर्नार्ड्स फादर्स एटीट्यूड टुवार्ड्स लाइफ. सो ये भी बेहद ज़रूरी है प्रश्न. नेक्स्ट इसका आंसर है डॉक्टर बर्नार्ड्स फादर बिलीव डैट एवरीथिंग हैपन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू गॉड्स विल. His father believed that God tests us by sufferings. He taught that suffering ennobles us and makes us better persons. Question fifth, what introduced Dr. Bernard to the suffering of the children? Answer, Dr. Bernard's brothers that due to heart problem introduced him to the suffering of the children. His father told him about the suffering of his brother who has been born with an abnormal heart. In those days, the heart surgery had not advanced much, so Dr. Bernard's brother died of heart ailment. Question 6, why couldn't Bernard's brother survive? So ये प्रश्न भी बेहद ज़रूरी है. Answer, Bernard brother couldn't survive because in those days they did not have advanced heart surgery. The facility for heart surgery was not available at that time. Question 7, why does Dr. Bernard consider the suffering of the children heartbreaking? Answer, Dr. Bernard considered the suffering of children heartbreaking because total trust in doctors and nurses. They believe that they will help them. If doctors can't help, they accept their fate. They go through mutilating surgery but don't complain. Question 8, what made the driver and the mechanic choose their roles? Answer, the mechanic was totally blind, so he provided the motor power with his head down, and the driver held on with one hand, steered there, scraping his foot on the floor. He had only one arm. Fourth, Gardari Pass in Kalapani jail by Dr. Harish K. Puri. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, लिस्ट अ फ्यू मेंबर्स ऑफ गदर पार्टी. सो बेहद ज़रूरी प्रश्न है. आंसर, द फ्यू मेंबर्स ऑफ गदर पार्टी वॉज लाला हरदयाल, वीपी पिंगले, संत बाबा वासाखा सिंह दादेहर, सोहन सिंह बखना, बाबा निधन सिंह, विष्णु गणेश, करतार सिंह सराबा एंड रसबेहरी बोस. क्वेश्चन सेकंड, what was the mode of torturing brave fighters by the British government? They were forced to work at the oil mill and were whipped in public if the quantity of oil produced was less. To torture the brave fighters of the Ghadar party, the British government created the penal colony. Third, write the two other names of the cellular jail. So ये प्रश्न भी बेहद ज़रूरी है. Answer, the cellular jail was popularly known as Kalapani and the British version of Devil's Island. It was created to isolate and to torture for life. The jail was opened in 1906. Question 4th, what were the physical conditions of the cellular jail? Answer, the cellular jail was constructed to isolate, punish and torture the freedom fighters of India. The weather was bad and the area was full of mosquitoes and blood-sucking leeches. The food was thoroughly bad and insufficient. Question 5th, who were the chief governing officials in the cellular jail? बेहद ज़रूरी प्रश्न है. The jailer David Barry, the superintendent Murray and the chief commissioners were the chief governing officials in the cellular jail. Question 6th, how were convicts punished when they failed to work properly? Answer, the convicts were given 30 lashes of a whip in public when they failed to work properly. They were abused, humiliated, beaten, mercilessly tortured and whipped. 7th, who were addressed as demigods and why? So भी बेहद ज़रूरी प्रश्न है. The warders, petty officers and jamadars were addressed as demigods because they derived sadistic pleasure from torturing the political prisoners. 8th, what was the mantra of Guderites right beginning of their conversion period? Answer: right in the beginning, their mantra was not to suffer any indignity or abuse without a determined retaliation. Question 9. Why was Jyotish Chandra Pal removed to a mental hospital? Answer: hundreds of Indian fighters hunger were on hunger strike against the jail authorities. Jyotish Chandra Pal was on a long hunger strike. He passed blood in stool. He refused to relent and went mad. So he was moved to the mental hospital. 10th. Why did the jail authorities discontinue some of their practices of bad treatment? बेहद ज़रूरी प्रश्न है. The daring resistance of Guderites forced the jail authorities to discontinue some of their practices of bad treatment. They went on mass hunger strike. A strike on such a large scale had never been organized before in the history of the Andamans. It was a measure of such resistance authorities to discontinue some of their practices of bad treatment of political prisoners. नोट: जिन क्वेश्चनों पर श्योर लिखा है वह प्रश्न अच्छी तरह से तैयार कर लें. सो जिन्ना प्रश्न में अगर श्योर लिखा है वो प्रश्न तुसीं ध्यान नाल पढ़ के जरूर जाने हैं, एग्जाम ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ पूछे जा सकते हैं. सो ये सी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਭ ਲਈ इंपोर्टेंट प्रश्न. सो उम्मीद करना पूरी जानकारी मिल चुकी होगी. इस तरह होर वीडियोज़ देखने लिए चैनल को सबसक्राइब जरूर कर लवो. मिलते हैं नैक्सट वीडियो तक लिए. बाय बाय, टाटा, धन्यवाद.